Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to AdSense. Make sure two-step verification is available to avoid access delays. Once signed in, select the correct AdSense profile if you manage multiple properties. If your site isn't verified, open Search Console and complete ownership verification now. This prevents approval or display issues later. You'll immediately land on the overview page. Note earnings, site status, and alerts at a glance so you know what to inspect first. Once on the overview, click Reports to dig into revenue trends and performance metrics like RPM and CTR. This shows what's driving income. Make sure to filter by site or ad unit when diagnosing drops. Then go to Sites and Ads to confirm ad code placement, ad types, and that ad serving is enabled. If you use auto ads, inspect the placement recommendations. These steps help you understand how users interact with ads and where to optimize placement or formats. Finish by reviewing the Policy Center for any violations that could suspend ads. Address issues promptly and submit appeals only when you've fixed root causes. Then open payments to ensure your payment threshold, tax details, and bank transfer are correct so earnings disperse smoothly. If ads aren't showing, use the AdSense preview and browser console to spot blocked requests or tag errors. Inspect pages with Search Console URL inspection to confirm indexation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.